Welcome to My Career Doctor. And right, like I said, Bacha Party. So right now we have Sunidhi, Ankit, Rutuja, Abhishek, Nidhi, and SR Kurasi. So we are here to talk to each other about performances, about study, about improvement. That's what I talked about performance, and so many things. Very fast, I mean, in first round, I would like to ask you guys to please introduce yourself. I would like to start that with Ankit. Hi, Ankit. Welcome. Please introduce yourself.
Uh, Good evening, sir, and good evening, all. Hope all of you are doing well. So, I am Ankit. Basically, I am from Haryana, and I did my BSc from Kurukshetra University. And currently, I'm preparing for banking exams. Uh, and my hobbies are just sketching and cooking. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Abhishek, please unmute. Mr. Chaturvedi.
All. My name is Abhishek Chaturvedi. I am from Madhya Pradesh, Rewa district, but currently I live in Noida. I work as a senior engineer for Noida Metro. My hobbies are playing chess and listening music. That's all, sir.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Abhishek. Rutuja.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Rutuja Harne. I'm from Maharashtra. I'm preparing for TSNET, and my ultimate goal is to become a civil servant. My hobbies are reading, writing, and anchoring. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Rutuja. Mr. Kurasi.
Hello, sir. Good evening, everybody. My name is Sheikh Daisuddin Qureshi, and I'm from Chhattisgarh. I'm a teacher by profession, and I teach English in Government Higher Secondary School, Magarlod. Thank you.
Okay, so Mr. Kurasi, you are from Chhattisgarh. You are the same teacher whom I talked in the starting. Do you remember?
Yes, sir. I have been taking this class since your first class.
Okay. Thanks a lot, sir. So next, would like to ask to you, Nidhi.
Yes.
Hi, Nidhi. Go ahead, please.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nidhi Rawat. I am from UP. I am a BA second year student. I am pursuing my BA from Rohilkhand University. Thank you.
So Nidhi, you are from UP or UK?
UP.
All right. Originally from UP.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Sunidhi.
Hi, good evening, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, and everyone. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity. And I am Sunidhi, and I am talking about my introduction. My name is Sunidhi Kumari. I am 9 years old. I live at Padratu in Namgarh district. I belong to Patna. As far as my qualification is considered, I am a study in class 6 in OP Sindhela school. I completed 5th class. I want to be an IAS officer because I respected to administration and I will help to all people. And my as far as my family background is considered, I have 5 members in my family and I am the oldest children in my family. I have 5 members in my family, and I have two small brothers and one me. My hobbies: listening music, dancing, playing, writing, and see movies, film, and watching some stories in English, etc. My strongest point is that I can learn something at my atmosphere, and my weakness point is that I believe fastly at the people. That's all. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, Sunidhi. All the best and God bless you. So now we have Anurupa. Hi,
Thank you,
Anurupa.
sir.
It's yours.
Hi, hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you, sir. after a long time in your class. So I am from Purulia district, West Bengal, and in this year I completed my graduate. And my hobby is to listen music and sometime to help my mother in kitchen work. And right now I am preparing for banking exam. Okay, sir. Thank you. That's all. Hello,
Thanks
sir.
a lot. Thanks a lot, Anurupa. Let's.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. So, hi, Ankit. Like you said that you are from. Right.
Yes, sir.
You want to learn English. Please put on mute, Anurupa. Please put on mute.
Sir, sorry, you are not audible to me.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Ankit, I'm asking, why do you want to learn English?
Sir, there are many reasons for me to attend this course, or you can say this stage. First one is, sir, I want to improve my way of learning English, speaking English, because sir, I want to remove my hesitation, because I can't face anyone when, or I can't feel comfortable when I talk to someone in English. And the second reason is, sir, there are I feel lack of proper words to continue my conversation, sir, and hope this stage will improve my confidence and give me the right direction, and that's all, sir.
Thanks a lot, Ankit, to talk like this. So, difficulties faced by you. How much, difficulties we face to learn.
Sir, sorry, but again, your voice is fluctuating, and
Okay. Tell us please the difficulties that you face to learn this language.
yes, sir, difficulties are on this platform, sir. I am saying, sir, maybe our school, maybe our study, that basically, sir, in schools English is taught as a subject only, and in basically in Haryana we taught this as a subject, and we just pass this for getting, like, just to pass the exam. And due to that, sir, we feel some hesitations to use English.
Thank you very much, Ankit. We'll come back.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Mr. Qureshi, sir, you are a teacher already. You teach how to, no, I'm sorry. You are an academic teacher, and you are a qualified teacher. So while teaching English, I mean, subject to your students, what are the difficulties that you have to face? Do you face any difficulty or you don't face?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm an English teacher, so I know the difficulties of English, how to speak and how to read. So it is very important to first of all I can polish my skill. After that, I will teach them in better way. So that's why I'm joining this
Okay.
class, because I want to polish my skill. I want to become a fluent English speaker.
All right. So
Yes.
far, have you improved 2%, 3%? Have you improved anything so far?
Yes, sir. I gain
Please.
lots of confidence here, and I can speak in better way right now. and I have learned lot of things from this institution. I can say that.
Okay. So which part of Chhattisgarh are you from,
Yes.
sir?
From Dhamtari district, sir.
Okay.
Dhamtari, nearby
From Dantewar.
Raipur, the capital of Dhamtari, sir. Dhamtari.
Okay.
Yes.
It is said the population Chhattisgarh is not so much. That's not very populated. People are less. Land is more. Is it true?
From for our Chhattisgarh, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Actually, sir, our Chhattisgarh is covered by forest, so you can say that we have lots of forest area. But it's not true that we have lots of land and less population. We have populated state.
Okay. Very nice. Thanks a lot, sir. So can we say
Yes.
in the last Chhattisgarh सबसे बढ़िया?
Yes, sir. Of course, sir. You can say that. Even everyone say that Chhattisgarh का सबसे बढ़िया.
Very nice. And so, you know, in every state,
Yes.
there are sayings and proverbs people use, and in every caste, creed, religion, and reason. So these things are great. So there was a student of mine in Noida, a married girl. So she used to say, "Chhattisgarhiya sabse badhiya." So I learned this from that student of mine, Chhattisgarhiya sabse badhiya. That's really very nice, and I wish you all
Yes,
the
sir.
best to you and your state. Thank you. Coming back to you, Rutuja.
Thank
So,
you.
Rutuja, tell us please, what are your, approaches? How do you approach to learn this language? Because you said that you would like to be a civil servant. So, what are your approaches to learn this language?
Okay, as you, I heard lot of time that speaking, writing, and practicing are must to speak fluency in English. So, as you said that speaking come by speaking. So, when I read the newspaper and article, I read it loudly so that my pronunciation will be clear. Second thing, I'm writing the essay and all this thing for practicing purpose. And I talk. My hobby is to talk with the people and connect with the people. But during the NHRC internship, I found that I not connect with the people due to of language barrier. So that's the reason I decided to learn English, and that's the approach of mine. Thank you, sir.
Which is your favorite language? English, Hindi, or Marathi?
Can you repeat, sir?
I'm asking again, which is your favorite language? Marathi,
Marathi,
English,
sir.
or Hindi?
Marathi, sir.
I know about
बोलो तो
Right.
मराठी.
All right. Okay, very nice. Jai Maharashtra.
Jai
Sorry to Hello.
Yes,
Sorry to disturb, sir, but Rutuja ma'am used the word pronunciation, sir. Maybe I'm recalling that it's not pronunciation. Pronunciation is pronunciation.
I got this point. I know that point, but when I speak, it comes automatically.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks a lot. Okay, so Rutuja, you said that you love to you love Marathi language, but you are trying to learn how to speak in English. That is correct. And Hindi is, of course, that is the language of the whole country,
Yes.
right? And you feel more comfortable there in Marathi. So when you compare Marathi to English, how different is it learn than Marathi language? Means how much difficulties you face to learn Marathi, because that is your mother tongue as well as mother language, and is that difficulty learning English or different, kind of difficulty levels?
Okay. First of all, as everyone know that if we read properly and all this thing, then it is easier to speak in English. But I am keen interested to read only Marathi literature. I write poem and all these things. So I never read a book in English. I read only in Marathi. And I only read my syllabus, all this thing in English. So that's the first thing I have to change. I have to read the more English book. And second is speaking. So I think according to me, Marathi is my regional language and mother tongue. I connect with the people. Uh, um, I am easily connect with the people through this language, and this language give me a lot of thing. And this is my identity. So I'm thinking that why I want to learn English and all this thing, because in Marathi there are 7 and 8 dialects that I want to learn, and I not know my language properly. So it is difficult. So that was my thinking, sir. That's all.
That's very nice. But what I have noticed that you are quite good at speaking Hindi as well.
Yes.
You are quite good at speaking Hindi as well.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very
This is to Hindi films and dramas, sir.
Okay. Thanks a lot. All right. So Abhishek Chaturvedi ji, sir, you said that you are from Abhishek. I'm sorry, अगर मैं सर बोल रहा हूँ तो mind मत करना बाबू. ठीक है. So Abhishek, you said that you are from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, right? What are you doing currently, Abhishek? What are you doing currently?
I am working as a senior executive for Noida Metro.
Okay. So while doing your job, I mean, as official job, how do you feel there? Do you feel comfortable that, oh God, I'm made for this job? Or do you feel like, no, I'm not made for this. I want to do something else and all. What do you think
No, sir,
while doing job?
I am comfortable, but I will go for other job. Not an issue. So this job is very comfortable
Okay.
for me.
So you want to just go out of comfort zone, right?
Yes.
All right. Abhishek, you are from Hindi medium Madhya Pradesh board. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am from Hindi medium school.
Right. I know 10 boards in India, Hindi boards. These are Uttar Pradesh,
Your
Madhya
voice
Pradesh.
is not clear, sir.
Now, am I audible now?
Yes, are you audible? But your voice is breaking, sir, up sometimes.
Yeah, I'm sorry because of the poor. I don't have Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is there at my home. This is why it happens. All right. Okay. So now, like I said, 10 boards are the Hindi medium boards only. A question is related to, I would ask next question to Nidhi Rawat. The first is UP, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Delhi. These 10 are only. In Haryana also there is Hindi medium. Yes, Ankit, are you getting me?
Yes, sir. But sir, your voice is fluctuating again and again. That's why this is a problem, sir.
Not getting it.
I'm very sorry for the camera. I cannot hear. I'm just asking that in Haryana there is Hindi medium. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are definitely yes. Yes, sir.
Now, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So thanks a lot, guys. So my question would be one last question to you, Abhishek. That Abhishek, while learning English, how much difficulties you face? Have you learned something or not?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, for English, if I learn English, so I find better job and for better salary. So English is very important for me, and I have tried to my best for communicating with people in English language. only I hesitate in speaking in English, not listening, not a reading, not a writing, not an issue for that. Only speaking in English.
Okay. So how much are you comfortable now? Are you comfortable or not?
Yes, sir, a little bit, sir. But I will try my best.
Thanks a lot, Abhishek. I see a lot of potential in you. All the best and God bless you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
So hi, Sunidhi, the most sincere, gentle student. We have Sunidhi there. Back to back, she has been on a strike for a long time. So hi, Sunidhi, a big hi to you. Are you all right?
Hi, sir. Yes, I am all right.
What time do you go to bed to sleep?
Sir, 11 o'clock.
Oh my God. What is the first meal of yours? In the morning, what is the first meal?
Sir, breakfast.
What do you take? Chai roti? Chai biscuit?
No, sir. Sir, I didn't get tea. Milk. I love very much milk.
My God, that's great. So what is the first meal of yours in the morning? Chapati, dal, sabji, bread, fruits, sprouted grams. What is
Sir,
the first?
milk and chapati.
All right, that's good. The milk and chapati is great. Right. So tell us about you. What are you doing nowadays there in Patratu? Have you ever visited Patratu Dam or not?
Sir, when coronavirus was not there, then I was visit, but now coronavirus is there, so I don't visit.
You don't visit. Okay. So, Sunidhi, what about your studies? Everything going good?
Yes, sir, my study is going well.
And what about English? Are you learning things or not learning? Only sitting there like a professional and very cool and calm girl.
No, sir, I am practicing.
You're practicing. You practice with your father, your mother, your brother, your friend, or only with MCDNs?
No, sir, I am learning with my parents and my friends.
Okay. Great job. Great job. One last question to you, Sunidhi. You really love to study or not?
Yes, I really love my study.
That's really big.
Because without a study we can't live, and without a study we can't earn monies, and that's all. Sir.
Last time, when did you visit to Patna?
So Patna, sir, in Chhat Puja.
And what about Diwali?
Yes, no. I was at home. Then I was make my Diwali here.
Okay, thanks a lot. All the best. We'll get back. So we have Nidhi. So hi, Nidhi.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry. Tell us about you. How many things you have learned so far? Are you learning things or not?
Yes, I am learned lots of things.
Mhm. Please share your video. Your video is paused. Share your video. Yeah. Unmute.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So, how many things you have learned so far, Nidhi?
When I joined this class, I'm very nervous, but now I boost my confidence, and now I didn't feel nervous.
Okay. So you are now quite confident and you didn't graduate right now. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me where is Rohilkhand University situated?
Real news. I
In which
never. Sajjanpur district.
Sajjanpur.
Yes.
All right. So what is the goal of yours?
This time I don't know. So I didn't decide anything about my future. I'm very confused.
Okay. All right. Nidhi, on one sentence answer to you that I'm not supposed to tell, but I'm saying don't get confused. But yes, if you get confused, don't worry. Confusions, problems are the part of our life. So if you have confusion, listen to your heart. What thing you are good at? Are you either good at? अब ये मत बोलना कि sir I love dancing, I love dancing, I love cricket, I love movie and all. क्योंकि यही सब आजकल सब कुछ दिखता है बच्चों को बिगाड़ने के लिए, right? So choose a stable career. I'm not against of dancing and singing. I'm sorry, with due respect, I'm not saying that I'm against of it. That's a great thing. But ज्यादातर बच्चों को यही दिखता है आजकल, नेता बनना है, ये करना, वो करना है. Apart from that, choose a stable career. और अगर ये भी है तो इसको हॉबी के तौर पे आगे बढ़ाइए, नॉट मेन करियर, बिकॉज जो नगरी दिखती है ना लाइट एंड कैमरा एक्शन वाली, वो है कुछ और. सो चूज अ स्टेबल करियर, टेक इट एज ए हॉबी, एंड मीन्स हॉबी अगर आपको है ये चीजें तो उसको लेके आगे चलिए, एंड डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑलराइट. यू आर क्वाइट यंग गर्ल, you have a bright future ahead, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell us about yourself. When did you start to learn English?
In class, 1 week ago.
You started learning English 1 week ago only.
No, in this class I started learning 1 week ago. Otherwise, I am learning English since childhood.
Since childhood, I have been learning English since childhood. Okay,
Childhood.
that's really very nice, Nidhi. Nice to talk. We'll come back once again to all of guys. Have patience, please. So we have Satyam Singh. Hello, Satyam. Quickly introduce yourself, please.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Satyanarayan Singh. I have completed graduation and diploma in computer hardware networking, and I live in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Yes, sir. That's all.
Okay, so Satyamji, you said that you have done diploma and graduate, and you're living in Lucknow. Sir, why do you want to learn English?
Sir, I want to learn English because earn good money. Because sir, without English did not make did not get a good salary.
Good salary. अच्छा, there एक सत्य आप बताना चाहता हूँ. प्लीज लिसन दिस वेरी केयरफुली, और ऋतुजा इस पर सोचना जरूर. ये हमारे माइंड में डाला गया है कि बिना अंग्रेजी के नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी. रियलिटी ये है, इफ यू, सत्यम डोंट माइंड प्लीज, आई एम अ टीचर एंड इट्स माय बिजनेस, यही मेरे को सब कुछ देता है. बट रियलिटी ये है कि अंग्रेजी सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको काम चलाऊ नौकरी देगा जिससे रोटी दाल सब्जी होगा, राइट? So what
Yes, sir.
we have been installed in our mind that without English you cannot get promotion. क्योंकि कंपनी में जब आप कॉर्पोरेट हाउस में रहेंगे ना भी सीख, तो आपको आपका बॉस ऐसा पागल बना देगा जैसे लगेगा यही नौकरी सब कुछ है, ये करो वो करो प्रमोशन मिलेगा, ये करो वो करो, इतने आपको उलझाएंगे ना वो लोग. ये सब पॉलिसीज होते हैं सेट बाय द हायर मैनेजमेंट, टॉप मैनेजमेंट, राइट? रिवॉर्ड, रिकग्नाइजेशन. So now what should we do to learn English? Of course we should focus to English to learn it. But one thing please keep in your mind, Satyam, that English is not everything. जॉब करने वाले लोग 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 लाख रुपए इंग्लिश बोल के सिर्फ आप, इतनी लिमिट है आपकी. लेकिन अगर आप अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करेंगे ना सत्यम, राइट नाउ, तो दैट कैन गिव यू डिफिकल्टीज इन द स्टार्टिंग, but that will help you to earn more than crores even in a month, and that's true in reality. So yes,
Yes, sir.
you must learn English. That will help you to gain promotion, But my dear friend, English is literally not. There are so many people, they do not know how to speak in English, but they have persons like you and I. मेरे जैसे लोग उनके यहाँ नौकरी करते हैं कुछ पैसों के लिए और उनका काम करते हैं. They don't know how to. और वो पता है साइन कैसे? मैंने देखा है नोएडा, वो ऐसे साइन देते. ये समझते हैं आप?
Yes.
ये समझते हैं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये मैं दिखा नहीं रहा हूँ बाबू, ये अंगूठा कहते हैं अंकित इसको, आपको तो मालूम होगा. अंगूठा
Yes.
देना.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So yes, sir.
Right. They give this and all, and they earn a lot of money and all. So earning money is totally different thing. उसके लिए आप एक बुक है that I would recommend you guys. इंग्लिश में जरूर पढ़ना उस बुक को. उस बुक का नाम है इकिगाई. Remember, write it down.
Sir, repeat again name.
इकिगाई.
Ikigai.
ये मैं समझा दूंगा.
This one, sir.
देख लो तुम लोग इतनी पतली. That is like ikigai is a Japanese word that means purpose of life. You getting this? If somebody asks you like, hey Sunidhi, what is your ikigai? Sir, my ikigai, जो आपका जिंदगी का पर्पस है, आप वो बताएंगे बाबू. Understood? All right. So ikigai को समझिएगा. भगा के नहीं पढ़ना है. No, it's not like that. एक दिन में सिर्फ एक पेज पढ़ना, उसको समझना अच्छे से. गूगल पे रिसर्च कर लेना, इसका मतलब क्या, उसका ऐसे ही पढ़ाई होती है बाबू. भगा के नहीं होती है. Anyway, so Satyam ji, you are from technical background. So tell us please, when did you start learning English? When did you start learning English?
Sir, I have been try to learn English 4 year before. So sir, I do not learn English just now.
Do you read in English or not? Do you read
Yes,
anything
sir.
in English?
Sir, I read, I written, I write, but I do not speak properly.
Okay, so what do you read? Tell me please, Satyam, what do you read? I mean, which content do you prefer to read?
Sir, I read storage book. Yes, sir. I read storage book.
Okay, what I have noticed is that you are quite good at speaking English, not excellent, but quite good at speaking English. You understand questions and reply easily. It means you have no hesitation. You need improvement. So what are the things and all? Maybe you are not doing that correctly. Maybe you are not, going through the story correct way. Correctly means correct way. This is why it happens. Or maybe
Yes,
you
sir.
are not paying attention to it. You have been learning for last 2 years, but not paying attention 100%. Right?
That's
Okay, but by the way, since when you have joined this platform, this online speaking platform, do you improve even a bit or not?
yes, a little bit.
Little bit you have improved. Okay, we'll talk to you regarding this. I guess first time I have met you here. This is why I would not be able to ask some personal questions to you, but I'll ask you once. Let me go back to my computer regarding your problems and all.
Okay.
Okay, so hi. One question to everybody. Please put on mute. Satyam, put on mute. Okay, Ankit.
Yes, sir.
Tell us how
So-
would
so-
you achieve? Yes.
So, again, your voice is fluctuating.
How will you achieve your goal? How will you achieve your goal?
Sir, according to my opinion, just achieve which you just want to get it just with continuity and priority. Maybe that's my spirit, or you can say like I'm just get motivated by all that words, or you can say like never quit is my favorite quote. So,
Which part of Haryana are you from?
sir, I am basically I am from the district Jind, and my village is Uchana Kala, sir.
What is about your district?
Jind district, sir.
Okay, Jind.
Yes, sir. And currently I am in Delhi to prepare banking exam, sir.
That's really very nice. And all the best, Ankit. I really wish you all the best. Where are you taking classes for banking examination?
So currently I'm taking banking exams coaching from GTB Nagar at Mahindra's Institute. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Okay. So you tell us, Rutuja, please, how would you achieve your goal? You have set yourself that you want to be a civil servant. So how you have planned to achieve your goal?
Okay. Sir, first of all, I want to be a post-graduation in rural development. I'm preparing for TISNET examination, and after that, I want to study for civil services. So, according to me, perseverance, continuity, it is key to success, and I want to enjoy this process. So,
Okay. Thanks, Lord.
thank you, sir.
What about you, Sunidhi? How will you achieve your goal?
Yes, sir. Now, and I am very child, so I don't know how to achieve my goal.
I'm not very child. I'm quite young. I'm बोलेंगे I'm quite young. I'm just little now. I'm so tiny. Tiny का मतलब छोटी. You know छोटी?
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. So you would say I'm quite young. I'm very little. So I have not decided yet. How will you achieve your goal? Little bit focus.
No, sir.
Sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Actually, one day, Sunidhi, she said that my name is Chayavati.
Chayavati. Anyway, all right. Thanks a lot, Arya sir. So Nidhi bhi yahi bolegi. I have not decided yet. Anyways, but still I'm asking to you, Nidhi, देखो बात समझ में आ गई. It means your listening is quite good, right? So Nidhi, tell me please, have you decided anything? Do you have any roadmap or not? Roadmap means any plan for future or no plan? Tension नहीं लेने का.
Unfortunately, this time I didn't decide anything. But maybe in future I'm preparing for government job. So
You are preparing for government job, right?
yes,
Okay.
sir. Not this
All the
time, but
Okay. I can understand. I can understand. All right. To you, Mr. Kuresi, you are already a qualified government teacher. Government teacher,
Yes, sir.
right? Right.
Yes, sir. Right.
So, sir, what are your goals now and how will you achieve them?
Sir, actually, I have lots of goal in my life, but in present, I just want to become a fluent English speaker due to my students, and that's why I want to polish my skills.
Okay, that's great. That's really very nice. Anything else you have decided in future for future like business, any kind of job and all? To establish your own school. Have you decided anything like that?
No, sir, I didn't decide that, but I just want to improve the condition of government school students. They are very weak in English, you know that. So I just want to improve their condition. Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Abhishek ji, Sir, you said that you would like to get promotion, right? Promotion, you want to get in another job, and because I have worked, और मैंने सत्यम से ये बात बोला भी था, आप लोग जॉब करें. Doing job in corporate houses is never a bad idea. It's a great idea. But don't be puppet of anybody. They'll give you promotion bet, means offer देगा लालच कि अगले साल बेटा तुम्हारा 2% इंक्रीमेंट कर देंगे. ये कॉर्पोरेट गाइज को मालूम होगा, और जब अप्रेजल होता है तो आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा या मिल भी जाएगा, और आप जाएंगे बोलने के लिए कि सर मेरा तो कोई अप्रेजल हुआ ही नहीं, मेरा तो कोई कुछ इंक्रीमेंट हुआ ही नहीं. They'll tell you, लुक बेटा इस बार कंपनी इस वजह से, अभी तो उनके पास बहाने हैं कोरोना की वजह से, सब कंपनी कमा रही है, सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉफिट में आईटी इंडस्ट्री, बट दे डू नॉट पे टू देयर एम्प्लॉइज एंड ऑल. They'll give you 100 excuses and all to give. So just I'm saying that in corporate houses there are n number of opportunities, बहुत अच्छे opportunities हैं, but don't be the yes boss to your boss. Don't be a yes man. Be a leader, and that comes by making your communication skills strong. So on that note, Abhishek ji, once again I'm asking, what is the ultimate goal of your life and how would you achieve that?
Actually, sir, I know everything what is going on in corporate sector, but in my life, I have two rules: learning and commitment. I am very committed person. So whatever I will do, so I will do on honestly. No, whatever learning and job, on everything. So nowadays I try to learn in English. After that I will do MBA and go to the in IT sector in payment system. Nowadays all the system is online or digital in banking. So I will try to learn all the things.
Very quite confident and honest answer. Thank you very much, Abhishek. All the best. So we have one new member, that is Sivesh Ram Sahu. Hello, sir. Welcome. Please give your quick introduction.
Hello, sir. I am Sivesh Ram Sahu, and I am working in TPS Studio company. It's in Barampur city in Odisha, and I'm living in Odisha. And sir, I'm living in Odisha. That's all, sir.
Okay. So, sir, tell us, please. First, you come late, and second thing, how much you have improved so far, sir?
Yes, sir. I have improved a lot. Till that, I feel that, sir, I have improved a lot in the communication skill, and definitely it will help in my future, in my professional career.
Okay. And sir, what are your approaches? How do you approach to learn this language?
What are my approaches? My approaches to learn this language, I am when I am free, I am trying to learn this language by means of just reading good books, good English books, and listening the English news and audio, and that's all, sir.
Okay. That's very nice, sir. Thank you very much, everybody. I guess almost everybody is done. I have asked this question. Yeah, Satyam is left. So, hi. Satyam, you tell us, please, what are your ultimate goals and how would you achieve that? Satyam, if you are there, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Go ahead, please.
So I work in a private company, so I want to become a manager. So sir, I am trying the best.
Thank you very much, Satyam. So, Bacha Party, one last question to everybody that you all have to comment in a limited time. How do you feel here at this online platform of My Career Doctor? Very first, I would like to ask that to you, Rutuja. Rutuja, you please go ahead and tell us.
Yes, sir. I think, first of all, I think my career doctor boost my confidence to speak in English. And in practice session, I got a new friend, that is Mahima. That's also for now, because it takes only 15 days that I joined this platform. So I comment on this after completing.
Okay. Thank you very much. To you, Mr. Qureshi. Go ahead, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Actually, it's a very great opportunity for me to learn with you all, sir. And as you, as all know that you are a teacher, so it's a very good thing for me, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir. Ankit.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Firstly, sir, when I entered at this platform, sir, I got trouble, and you helped a lot, sir. So first point is that you are so humble, sir, and it's good for me. Second, sir, I got a company to practice, and in today's session, I noticed that various people are from various states, and this shows is a small platform can show the diversity of India, and I'm very happy to meet everyone. That's all, sir.
Salute. All right, to you, Sunidhi. Hi, Sunidhi.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am doing great in this platform, and my career doctor is very useful for us and to all. And I am very thankful to Prakash sir, Arya sir, and Dilshad sir. That's all. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you very much, Sunidhi. All the best and God bless you. Nidhi, you tell us, please.
Yes, sir. As I said earlier, I have increased my confidence too much here. So then, thank you so much, career doctor, to increasing my confidence. And that's
अच्छा
it.
निधि, you know one thing, you speak point to point और वो ठीक है, तुम्हारा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर इज गुड. बस एक चीज तुम कर लो, डिसाइड कर लो कि व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. और एक चीज और है बाबू, हमारे देश में जब हम लोगों को कुछ आंसर नहीं मिलता तो हम कहते हैं कि हम गवर्नमेंट नौकरी की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. तो ये सब भी मत करना. अंकित सीरियसली तैयारी कर रहा है. अंकित इज प्रिपेयरिंग सीरियसली. वो अपने गांव से, जिंद से निकलकर दिल्ली इसलिए आया है कि उसका सपना है कि वो एक बैंकर बने. राइट निधि?
Yes,
तो
sir.
आप, यू आर लाइक माई चाइल्ड. तो मेरे बच्चे जैसे हो, इसलिए अगर मैं तुम्हें डांटता हूँ तो इट डजंट मीन दैट आई एम जस्ट ह्यूमिलेटिंग यू और इंसल्टिंग यू एंड आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू दैट यू हैव टू डिसाइड
No,
योर.
sir. No, sir. No, sir. Nothing like this.
Thanks a lot. All the best. So hi, Sibesh ji, sir, how do you feel here?
I'm feeling great, sir, because whatever you have told right now, your classes are very good. I have learned a lot of things from your classes, sir, and thanks for everything.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot. Right. One more student we have there is, and that is Satyam. Satyam ji, you also joined quite late, but I'm asking you, first time I see you. Sibesh sir, I have seen Sibesh sir already, but Satyam first time. So hi Satyam, tell us please, how do you feel here? Do you feel comfortable or uncomfortable?
Sir, I feel comfortable, and Arya sir was a very hard work for us, and sir, I increase my I increase my um,
Fluency of speaking.
yes, sir.
All right. Thanks a lot, Satyam, to give feedback about Arya sir. Now it's my turn, then you guys can ask question. Once again, I'm telling you guys that learning English is not a big task. It's just a language. Don't take it so much seriously. Like Satyam said na कि हमको 4 साल से I'm learning English, but I don't know how to speak in English. It's because of the wrong approach, or maybe because he wants to learn English, but he doesn't love to learn English. These two are two different things. wants to learn English and love to learn English. Want to learn English, maybe you are not learning English, only you want to learn English, and love to learn English means that is your karma, your dharma, your duty, the path of yours. So my dear friend, younger brother Satyam Singh ji would like to request you, you love to learn English. And I'm damn sure the thing which we have attraction and love, we care a lot. किसी भी चीज को, let's suppose I have just bought this की रिंग, मैंने इसे आज ही खरीदा और इसकी कीमत मान लीजिए 10 रुपए, और 10 रुपए मेरे लिए ऊंची रकम है, तो आई लव दिस, मैं हमेशा इसको प्यार से रखूंगा पॉकेट में, राइट? Why? Because I love this key ring, I love this one, I love that one, तो मैं इसको प्यार से रखूंगा. So learn to love and learn the correct definition of love. Love your duty, love your karma, love your parents. I'm damn sure everything will be changed in your life, Satya. So when you love things, slowly you will begin to get the right directions. In the starting, you will face difficulties. और मैं ये सिर्फ भाषण नहीं दे रहा हूँ बच्चा पार्टी, it's reality. It's reality. To learn things, you will have to take initiative. सीखने के लिए initiative आपको ही लेना पड़ेगा. सिर्फ पैसे देने से कुछ नहीं होता है. अगर आप पैसे की बात करेंगे, तो ऐसे ऐसे लोग हैं इस दुनिया में जिनके पास आप बोलेंगे 1 करोड़ रुपया दे देगा, बस उनके बच्चे को अंग्रेजी आना चाहिए, लेकिन दुर्भाग्य फिर भी नहीं वो लोग सीख पाते. Why? Because it comes because of your hard work, your sincerity, your right approach, your right direction. That comes anything that comes to us. So please focus there. Everything will be all right. Like Ankit said, that students are from different parts of our country. That somebody is from UP, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, again Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Bihar, Bengal and all right now. Satyam is from UP, maybe from UP or Bihar. So we learn so many things, or this is really a great learning. That's all from my side.